official website of www.cityofbordentown.com. And whereas come to the attention of the Board of Commissioners that on May 13, 2010, a person or persons using the domain name of bordentownmayor.com through the firm of Bluehost Incorporated created a website, Bordentown Mayor, containing a photograph of Mayor Lynch and other city information, including contacts of city departments and employees, city events, and city code book. And whereas Bordentown Mayor is not an official or otherwise municipally authorized website, and is no way authorized by or affiliated with the Mayor of the City of Bordentown or the Board of Commissioners. Whereas the operation of a website which wrongfully implies it is associated with a political subdivision such as the City of Bordentown may violate the New Jersey Consumer Fraud Act. Now therefore be resolved by the Board of Commissioners of the City of Bordentown, County of Bordentown, State of New Jersey, that the City Clerk is hereby authorized to send a letter to Bluehost Incorporated raising this violation of New Jersey law and requesting termination of this website. Be it further resolved, the Board of Commissioners is hereby authorized to undertake appropriate and necessary investigation of such unauthorized website, including but not limited to the appointment of a special counsel to ascertain inter alia whether the New Jersey Consumer Fraud Act or any other federal, state, local law or regulation has been violated to what extent and by whom. Do I have a second? Second.
Roll call, Mayor Lynch.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I do have some questions. Unfortunately, the commission has not been able to discuss this. Obviously, by no way, I would not condone or support or authorize or agree with inflammatory propaganda websites. And I can feel for the mayor's pain for some negative comments. I have no idea what's happening with his family. Again, we haven't talked about it. I do not believe that the city should authorize a blank check to the council to look into First Amendment rights, consumer fraud, or anything that's going on in this resolution. Basically, it had you up until we get further resolved. There's not a cap, there's not, how much money do you think it's going to take, at what cost? It's unfortunate, I think you are more attention to something that, people can take a look at the website, but you're bringing more attention to it than you need to. Where are you going to go with this? Are you going to a federal court? Are you looking for First Amendment rights, consumer fraud?
Are you asking me or are you asking me?
I'm asking you.
I'm going to take it.
Can I come in here? Any special litigation, potential litigation should take place in executive session.
Well, I'm sorry, I did try to do this before.
There's no litigation initiated. If special counsel was retained, input to that meeting, and we point out that final resolution, to hire special counsel, and have to be contract officer.
But this is,
That, so that's,
but this, if I'm reading this resolution correctly, this authorizes the appointment of special counsel. So there will be an authorization to appoint special counsel. I'm saying, since it's not discussed.
if a counsel is retained, there would have to be a specific resolution. Obviously, there was concerns. You need to have promptly when it's in this response.
Well, clearly we could add an executive session.
Here's clearly, did you go on the website?
I have no.
Have you seen the toilet seat? You have not seen the toilet seat?
No.
Have you seen any of the pictures of the other things involved? I'm just asking a question, yes or no? Thank you. Any other comments you have?
To bring it, we should have a discussion.
Well, I'm having a discussion right now. Any other discussion? We're not spending anything right now because we didn't hire somebody.
Sure you do. You're having an attorney write a resolution, which now you're sending a letter to, did you already send a letter?
Letter's gonna go out. Who's in bed?
Did it say already in the attorney? No, it's not. I mean, this is beyond my comprehension of it.
It was beyond my comprehension too when I saw it.
But what,
So I guess that's where we disagree. It's beyond my comprehension too that when Bordentown Mayor sucks, I thought we'd be a little bit more supportive of it.
after, if you remember my
You
first
can't have it both
statement.
ways. You can't have it both ways. You gotta feel that way, you gotta say it. And does anybody in this room condone a website that says Bordentown mayor sucks?
No.
Is that the town you want to live in? Is that
No.
the historical significance that you need in this town?
Are you gonna give public comment to everyone?
I'm gonna give every, I'll stay until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Heather
if I
doesn't
have to.
support that either, she just said she doesn't support it.
Then-
No, it does not.
I'm asking her if she supports me.
But are we
Twist her words.
I'm not.
It's not what she said, and you know it's not.
Do you have any other discussion?
Don't stand up and say we do.
You're going to
There's
make
more,
this
Mr. Ryan,
decision based on a
there's more
motion.
discussion. There's more discussion. There's more discussion.
I mean, if you're going to make a decision based on, obviously you're extremely upset and you have a right to be upset. I'm saying that I think this should be thought out and done without a motion to make decisions. You are representing all of the city.
Exactly.
Okay? And I don't believe that all of the city, including myself, got a say in which direction we're gonna take this. That's what I'm saying.
You have a say right now. You have a say right
Again,
now.
I have said to you, I do not support inflammatory propaganda. However, I do think there can be educated and informed decisions. I had a brief conversation with council when I asked him why he was investigating my website. And I asked him, and he mentioned this website and that we were looking into it. Now, if I can, I just think it would be pretty obvious to most people that it would be a commissioner's discussion, and we would at least have an executive session to talk about it before you go forward and authorize special counsel, and then basically, among other things, and take on these federal, state, local law and regulations where the First Right Amendment and consumer law.
It has nothing to do with first right amendment. They can say whatever they want about me. I have no issues with that. No issues at all. I do have issues with them hijacking the office of mayor. I do have an issue with that. Am I correct with that?
The city clearly has an interest in protecting its mark. And we also know it should not be the basis for the website, which has official time, which in fact has nothing to do with the mayor. And properly because the mayor voted this, as I indicated to you, Tuesday, if there's potential special counsel, I can see the council address, any further litigation, I certainly.
And I don't understand why it has to be part of the resolution.
Uh,
I mean, you're authorizing a blank check.
There's a resolution.
Copy that.
Not for public. No.
We're gonna vote on it.
We're gonna vote on it.
Why is it for public?
Is that not a copy of it?
That's a better answer than I have.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you for.
That's better for
How much, is there a time frame, is there a cap of the amount of money?
There's not a
I'm
cap.
sorry that someone's being brought, I know nothing about this
There's
website.
not a cap of money,
So
because
it's
we haven't
been-
hired, what Mr. Hunt's trying to tell you is we didn't hire anybody yet. We're authorizing this to go hire, which means we're gonna interview some attorneys. And we're gonna find out what the best attorney to work on, the best interest of the city, that's all that is. Okay. There's obviously something going on here. I mean, we're not, I don't think we're idiots. I think we know a little bit what's going on. I
Okay,
mean,
but
we're gonna
there's a
investigate
person
this,
don't.
we're gonna investigate it. And I don't wanna investigate it in a month from now. I probably should have started investigating it Sunday night when the site came back. And maybe if your name was on there, your picture was there, you'd feel different. I don't know. This is how I feel. This is how I'm gonna vote.
Okay, but are you voting as mayor or are you voting as Jim Lynch?
I'm voting it tonight.
Okay, because
To
you're not
protect-
coming across that way
To
to me.
protect this office. Well, I didn't say anything about you personally. I didn't say anything about you personally, yeah. I said I'm protecting the office of mayor. That's what it should belong to be, 'cause that's what I said. And I'm gonna protect the office of mayor. Okay? Yes.
Everything has a city sent a simple cease and desist letter.
City has done nothing yet. That's what the
Resolution
resident
authorizes the cease and desist. Maybe the
So
cease
that
and
requires a
desist-
special counsel or it's not something that?
Oh, we'd like to know who's in it. We would like to know who's in it.
The cease and desist letter.
That's the nature of the piece of the internet, that's something.
There's a line, I know believe me, trust me, I know the nature of it. When I said I had 819 blogs against me, so it'll be 800 more next year, so we can live with that, that's not. Yes, ma'am.
So they're just targeting you, not the city?
Well, actually they're targeting the city. They're using me as maybe the leader, but they're targeting the city, whether you know it or not. I mean, they literally put those houses on Borden Street, on the internet. Now, if you were to be a real estate agent, and you wanted to sell properties in Borden, and you lived in North Jersey, and you plugged in the city of Borden, and those houses, this website came out, and those houses showed up, that's not doing anything good. That's not doing the city of Borden anything. I have to protect the city of Borden.
who brought more attention to it? I mean, I
You
think
can't
there's a
blame
way.
me, my God, I
No,
don't